Welcome back. Back on these heads. Bought a lapping tool off Amazon for like 15 bucks. So get these valves lapped. Got springs ordered and ordering rod bolts tonight. So springs will be here this week. Get these heads put back together. Maybe get this block and heads long blocked by this weekend. This kit was like $15 off Amazon. It's an attachment that goes on the drill. What are you doing, cat? What's your problem? But nothing in there for you. But anyway, you hold this and it goes back and forth to lap them. Can't hold the camera in this. But here we go. Well, I had a feeling. My feeling was right. I guess I'm gonna have to get a valve job on these. Lapping them's not doing it. This is the first one I lapped originally before I got the tool. That tool, not saying the tool don't work, but I'm to the point. I think I need a valve job. Let me show y'all. Turn off the light. Where's the damn button? You can see. They are not sealing. None of them. Look at that. I ain't even checked the intake valves. Let's check them. See what we find together. So, I guess I'm getting a valve job. Intakes ain't sealing either.
Drop that. Hey, yeah. Hey.
all the rod bolts torqued, retorqued, and torqued to a third time just to make sure. So, it's part number for the ARPs. I'll get back with y'all. And I get these back. Probably end up getting new valves in them, new seats. So, like, comment, and subscribe. Appreciate y'all watching.